begin your journey into the electrical field, several resources can provide a solid foundation. Firstly, consider exploring books. Electrical Wiring Residential, 19th edition, by Charles Miller and Rex Miller, offers a comprehensive introduction to basic residential electrical work. Secondly, the Handbook of Electrical Design Details, 8th edition by Neil Sclater, serves as a detailed reference for electrical system design. Thirdly, Ugly's Electrical References, 2023 by Eric Stauffer, is an essential pocket guide for quick reference on the job. The National Electrical Code (NEC 2023) is a crucial resource for understanding up-to-date regulations for electrical installations. Furthermore, Black & Decker The Complete Guide to Wiring, updated 7th edition by the editors of Cool Springs Press, provides practical guidance for home wiring projects. These books will help familiarize you with fundamental concepts, industry standards, and safety practices. Besides books, various instructional videos and courses can supplement your learning. Electrician offers online video tutorials and courses covering a wide range of electrical topics. The Electrical Tutorials is a YouTube channel with videos on various electrical subjects. Skillshare offers a course on electrical wiring for beginners taught by a licensed electrician. Coursera provides an introduction to electrical engineering and electronics, a university-level online course for a more theoretical understanding. edX offers Electrical Engineering Foundations, a free online course from MIT OpenCourseWare. These resources will enhance your understanding through visual demonstrations and structured learning. Additionally, various organizations provide valuable resources and support for electricians. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers (IBU) is a union representing electricians, offering training programs and resources for its members. The National Electrical Contractors Association (NECA) is a trade association for electrical contractors that provides educational materials and industry updates. The Electrical Safety Foundation International (SV) is a non-profit organization promoting electrical safety and offering resources to prevent electrical hazards. Joining or utilizing the resources of these organizations can provide networking opportunities and professional development. To further prepare for your electrical training, consider the following tips for getting a head start. Firstly, read books and watch videos to familiarize yourself with basic electrical concepts. Secondly, attend workshops or seminars offered by local community colleges or electrical trade schools. Thirdly, practice basic electrical tasks such as wiring light fixtures or switches under supervision to gain hands-on experience. Fourthly, research different types of electrician jobs to determine what aligns best with your interests, such as residential, commercial, or industrial work. Fifthly, network with people in the electrical industry to learn about potential opportunities and gain insights from experienced professionals. By taking these steps, you can build a strong foundation of knowledge and skills before enrolling in an electrical class, increasing your confidence and success in the field. It's important to delve deeper into the specific areas of electrical work that interest you. For example, if you're drawn to residential work, focus on understanding residential wiring methods, codes, and common electrical systems found in homes. If you're more interested in commercial or industrial work, research the types of electrical systems used in those settings, such as three-phase power, motor controls, and industrial automation. Understanding the different types of electrician jobs available will help you tailor your learning to your career goals. Another important aspect of becoming an electrician is understanding the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards for safe electrical installations, covering everything from wiring methods to grounding and bonding requirements. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the NEC and understand how it applies to different types of electrical work. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it's important to stay current with the latest edition. Many training programs and courses incorporate NEC training into their curriculum. You can also purchase the NEC Handbook, which provides explanations and examples to help you understand the code requirements. Safety is paramount in the electrical field, so it's crucial to develop a strong understanding of electrical safety practices. This includes learning how to identify and mitigate electrical hazards, using personal protective equipment (PPE), and following lockout/tagout procedures to prevent accidental energization of equipment. Many resources are available to help you learn about electrical safety, including online courses, training programs, and publications from organizations like the Electrical Safety Foundation International. In addition to technical knowledge and skills, electricians also need strong problem-solving and critical thinking abilities. Electrical systems can be complex, and troubleshooting problems often requires a systematic approach. Developing your problem-solving skills will help you diagnose and repair electrical issues efficiently and effectively. One way to improve your problem-solving skills is to practice working on real-world electrical problems. This could involve helping a friend or family member with a minor electrical repair, volunteering your time to assist with the electrical work at a local non-profit organization, or participating in hands-on training exercises at an electrical trade school. As you gain experience, you'll develop a better understanding of how electrical systems work and how to troubleshoot problems. Networking with people in the electrical industry is also a valuable way to learn and grow as an electrician. Attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and connecting with other electricians online can provide opportunities to learn from experienced professionals, share knowledge, and find potential job opportunities. Networking can also help you stay up to date on the latest industry trends, technologies, and best practices. Consider attending meetings or events organized by the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers (IBU) or the National Electrical Contractors Association (NECA) to meet other electricians and learn about potential opportunities. Don't be afraid to reach out to experienced electricians and ask for advice or mentorship. Most electricians are willing to share their knowledge and help aspiring electricians succeed in the field. Finally, remember that becoming a skilled electrician takes time, dedication, and a commitment to lifelong learning. The electrical field is constantly evolving, with new technologies and regulations being introduced regularly. To stay at the top of your game, it's important to continue learning and developing your skills throughout your career. This could involve taking continuing education courses, attending industry conferences, reading trade publications, or pursuing certifications in specialized areas of electrical work. By investing in your education and professional development, you'll be well equipped to meet the challenges and opportunities of the electrical field and build a successful career as an electrician. In summary, start with books like Electrical Wiring, Residential, and Ugly's Electrical References. Supplement this with videos from Electrician U and the electrical tutorials. Consider courses on Skillshare, Coursera, and edX. Engage with the IBU and NECA. For hands-on learning, practice basic tasks under supervision, research job types, and network within the industry. Focus on the NEC and electrical safety, honing problem-solving skills. Stay updated in this evolving field.